So this is Boatshed Cornwall on board this Dehler Optima 101. Just about to walk around the deck for a tour with you. So as you can see, it's quite a spacious deck. There's quite a lot of headroom inboard too, with this cut roof. Mast step. This boat is just being prepared. She's going to go back in the water today. So hence the sail ready to be attached to the forestay. So up forward here, pulpit, and then if I can get down without falling over the side, anchor locker, complete with anchor fender.
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'll just turn around and make my way down the port side. See, the running rigging here disappears into the coach roof. Got a lot of little quirky characteristics with this German built boat. Spray hood, sail cover, lazy jacks. So I'll just make my way back to the cockpit.
I've got a chain on the end of it, but yeah, beautiful.
There's aft deck, swim ladder, all out the swim platform. So I'm pretty much back where I started. So this concludes the deck tour on board this Dehler Optima 101. If you'd like to know more about this yacht, then please contact us. This is Boatshed Cornwall.